handy little lock. Nice build. Feels solid. Decent weight to it. Works really great. My only issue is how sensitive the alarm is. Just like small amounts of wind, even lightning or thunder will set this thing off, and it's honestly pretty annoying. I just had to go run out and just take it off my bike because of the wind. The smallest amount of wind like blowing on my bike cover, just I feel like if the bike cover just kind of touches it, it'll start beeping, then alarm will go off. It's pretty annoying. Pretty sure my neighbors are annoyed, so I think I'm gonna take this battery out and just use it as a lock, and then try to find another security device on Amazon that is less sensitive, or you can maybe change the sensitivity in it. But other than that, it's pretty cool. I think it would work best for stored motorcycles, or if your bike didn't have a cover on it. I don't know, but for the price, can't beat it. Extra safety feature.
Okay, so a quick follow-up on this little device. One of the things that motivated me to have this attachment put this attachment on my bike was because a friend of mine I just was speaking with yesterday, and it's 2022. Apparently, there's a thing going around in our area where jackass kids are trying to snitch keys from motorcyclists. I cannot tell you on how many levels that will go wrong when it happens to people that I know. As a matter of fact, the motorcyclist that I was speaking with last night said that they had a conversation about it because it was one of their friends, and they were like, no, there'd be a lot of broken parts that would need to get fixed if someone messed with their keys. Anyway, so that's the follow-up, and it seems to be working pretty well. Keep you posted.